We're here in Vail at the GoPro Mountain Games, and we checked out a handful of RVs for our family. Yeah, so we looked at about a 20-foot hitch travel trailer, which had bunk beds that we loved. We looked at a modified toy hauler with a bed that comes down from the ceiling. We looked at a Black Series tow-behind tiny adventure travel trailer, which would be a really good kind of base camp for all our adventures.
I really loved the trailer with the outdoor kitchen. All of them are really modern. I love the new aesthetic of the whites and the nice cabinets and storage. But I think the bunk beds were what would sell it for us, for sure, right?
Yeah, the bunk bed. I like the bunk bed. Outdoor kitchen.
Outdoor kitchen. What would you cook in the outdoor kitchen?
Bacon.
Bacon.
We're an active outdoor family. Camp at the beach, camp in the mountains, bring our dogs, surfing, hiking, cooking s'mores around a campfire, and go on all types of family adventures, right?
Yeah.
Cats don't go camping. Our cat stays home.